Welcome back. Well, it looks like we hopefully will see a little sunshine tomorrow, but more clouds and rain on the way as we have another weather system on last night's weather system on the heels as we get into Sunday. So let's go over to the weather well, take a look at this big upper level pattern. We still have an upper level trough that is still oriented to our west, and we have this upper level low here in western Mexico. It's going to be waiting on some energy that's coming out of the Pac Northwest. That's going to generate another low pressure system in the Gulf of Mexico come Sunday. Meanwhile, we're still dealing with one that is producing rain and winter weather along the East Coast. Snow farther to the north with winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories covering much of the eastern half of the U.S. and as far south as the Atlanta area. And here comes the next weather system in from the northwest. Meanwhile, for us, still lots of cloud cover. Some sprinkles in the area by the coast, but they are moving out, and we'll see those clouds moving on out. It's going to be another 12 hours or so before that happens. Rainfall-wise, these are Doppler estimates, and the Doppler underestimated the rainfall by about 30 or 40%. We had a solid 1.5 inches in Lafayette, and it was showing me less than an inch in Lafayette, but we went down to Milton here, Maurice, and picking up 1.3. So you could probably add about a ½ inch to most of the numbers that we're seeing here, but pretty much a solid 1 to 2 inch rainfall across a good part of the area. Next one is going to be a little bit different. We'll show you that in just a second. First off, though, lingering clouds across the area. Temperatures I don't think get as cold as the lower 30s, but wind chills are going to be in the mid to upper 20s tomorrow morning for sure. And with high pressure moving overhead, hopefully those clouds burn off into the afternoon. Then we'll see readings in the upper 40s to lower 50s. If the clouds don't burn off, which sometimes happens, we'll stay in the 40s, mid 40s all day long for our Saturday, but probably not. Then as we head into Sunday, here come the clouds again. Some patchy light rain by Sunday afternoon, and then into Sunday night. It looks like another soaker, at least during the evening and early nighttime hours. Then the system pushes off to the east. This low won't be as strong, won't carry as much wind nor as much rain. Going into Monday, we start to dry out, and we stay on the cool side as high pressure takes charge for much of next week. As for rainfall with the next system, you can see off to the north and west, much lighter amounts or no rain. But then as you go farther to the south, light to moderate rain, and then some locally heavy downpours down along the coast. Of course, meteorologist Brianna Lewis will have the latest for you this weekend on that next weather system. Temperature-wise tonight, close to the freezing mark, but it's just the plants and pets. We'll favor 31 to 32 for the northern parishes, 32 to 33 across the I-10 corridor, and much the same down along the coastal areas. But then you're going to have wind chill on top of that. Then tomorrow, provided we do see some sunshine, we'll see highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. We'll favor mid to upper 40s if the clouds stick around longer. We'll favor the lower 50s if we get sunshine earlier in the day. No guarantee on that sunshine for tomorrow afternoon, but we think we're going to see some sun. Those wind chills tomorrow morning, though, mid-20s, not as cold as it has been, but still it's feeling like winter out there, and winter stays with us for more than the next week to 2 weeks. We'll get to that in the 10-day forecast. 33 the overnight low tonight, so barely near the frost zone. I think the clouds keep the temperatures probably closer to 33 or 34 for a low, but there'll be that wind chill once again. Then for tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies to start the day, then sunshine we hope in the afternoon. Temperatures still more than 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. And as we enter Sunday, well, it's still cooler than normal with rain developing. 70% for Sunday afternoon, mostly light rains, more moderate or heavier rain Sunday night at 100%. And sprinkles early Monday, then mostly a dry week ahead. And then looky here, we have temperatures approaching 70 going into next weekend, but more wet weather, another front, and we could see another chill down and maybe colder air than what we just saw a few days ago as we get into the third week of January, but we'll have to wait and see on that. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up later in the show.